Hello guys, my name is Thủy. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY fashion. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every third day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how I made DIY princess dress for my niece. Let's get started. I found this fabric which was slightly stiff, not stretchy and sparkling, a linen fabric. I got her own dress at the sample. From her own dress, I already drawn the pattern. I got 5 panels for front, 4 panels for back, and 2 sleeves. Now start to the front of top. I'm going to stick panel 1, 2, 4 together and 3, 5 together. For the lining of front of top, I cut 3 pieces and stitching them together. Next, at the back of top, I'm going to sew panel 1, 2 together and panel 3, 4 together. Do the same with the lining layer. Then, align front and back and connect them at one shoulder and both sides. Do the same with lining layer. Next, I'm going to cut 2 rectangle panels with 8 cm width and 80 cm length to make strap. After folded in half and sew, I'm going to turn the right side out and iron to make strap evenly. Now, measuring from the back over the shoulder to the side and cut circle ruffle with 7 cm width. Do the same with the other side. Next, pin it into top. Also pin strap into both sides at the lower of top and sew them together. Pin panel 3, 5 to front of top and sew them together. Next, I'm going to sew side of sleeves and fold double tie at the end of sleeve and sew hem. Then pin one sleeve into the top at the up shoulder side and sew them together. Now I'll cut excess fabric at the top of sleeves and connect circle ruffle on this side. Moving on to skirt, I'm going to cut a rectangle with 65 cm width and 220 cm length. Do the same with the lining layer but shorter 8 cm. Now, gathering fabric at the top and sew hem at the bottom. Then pin top into skirt and sew them together. Next, connect the main dress and lining dress together and sew them together. Next, I'm going to pin the other sleeve into the other armhole and sew them together. And now, pin the hidden zipper into the back of dress and sew. Last step, I'm going to sew lining layer into the hidden zipper and finish the princess dress for my niece. Here is the final result. Hope you enjoy it and see you next week. Bye!